What's up guys, in this video I will show you how to connect your Skyworth TV to Wi-Fi without the remote control. Now over here I have the Skyworth Google TV, but it doesn't matter the type of Skyworth TV you have, whether you have the Skyworth Android TV or any type of Skyworth TV. By the end of this video you should be able to connect any Skyworth TV you have to internet Wi-Fi without the remote control. Now there are basically two ways you can go about doing this, and the first and simplest method is to trick your Skyworth TV to connect to your Wi-Fi network by changing your current Wi-Fi name and password to the previous Wi-Fi name and password that your Skyworth TV has connected to before. Now what this will mean is that if your Skyworth TV has not been connected to any Wi-Fi network before, then it will not work out for you. But if you've obviously connected your Skyworth TV to a Wi-Fi network previously, then what you just want to do now is to go ahead and change your current Wi-Fi name and password to the exact Wi-Fi name and password that your Skyworth TV has connected to previously. It will trick the TV to automatically connect to your new Wi-Fi network, thinking that it is actually the previous one. So let's take for instance, if I want my Skyworth TV over here to connect to this my phone's hotspot without my remote control, basically what I will do is to go ahead and change the hotspot name and hotspot password to the previous Wi-Fi name and password that the Skyworth TV has connected to previously. So basically to do this, I will just come over to my hotspot settings of my phone. If you're using a Wi-Fi, then just locate the place where you can actually change your Wi-Fi name and password. Now from the portable hotspot settings over here, first things first, I want to make sure that my phone's hotspot is turned on. Then under the set portable hotspots where I can actually change my hotspot name and password, I'll go ahead and change the name and the password over here to the exact name and password of the previous Wi-Fi network that this Skyworth TV has connected to previously. And once you're done changing your Wi-Fi name and password to the exact Wi-Fi name and password that your Skyworth TV has connected to previously, what you want to do next is to just go ahead and click on the check button over here. Then make sure that your phone's hotspot is turned on. And at this point, you just want to go ahead and give your Skyworth TV some few minutes, and the TV will automatically dictate this new Wi-Fi network and connect to it by itself. But if after 5 to 10 minutes your Skyworth TV does still not automatically connect to your new Wi-Fi network, what you want to do is to just go ahead and turn off the TV and then turn it on again. Now doing this will prompt the TV to automatically search for new Wi-Fi network, and it will dictate your new Wi-Fi network and connect to it by itself. Okay, so I have just turned off and turned on my Skyworth TV, and we're just going to wait for some few minutes, and you're going to see how the TV will automatically search for Wi-Fi network and just connect to it by itself. And just like so, you just see that the TV just connected to my Wi-Fi network without the actual physical remote control to connect it to the Wi-Fi. Now another way you can still connect your Skyworth TV to Wi-Fi without the actual remote control is to simply go ahead and connect a keyboard to your Skyworth TV. Now with a keyboard connected to your Skyworth TV, you can use the navigation buttons at the bottom of your keyboard to navigate through your TV without any issue. Now obviously you would either need a wired keyboard or a USB keyboard for this to work. So basically, if you have a wired keyboard, then just go ahead and connect it to any of the USB ports on your Skyworth TV, or if you're using a USB keyboard, then connect the USB dongle to any of the USB ports on your Skyworth TV. Then use the bottom navigation buttons at the bottom of your keyboard to navigate through the TV till you get to the network and internet settings of the TV, and automatically search for your Wi-Fi network and connect to it. If you find this video useful, please make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more interesting tech tips like this one.